I'm John Cohen, and this is My Tech. You might be looking for a solution for your iPad, your tablet, one of your devices that will work at your desk to add an extra screen, or maybe just a way to have an iPad replace a computer. Well, Anker has come out with a great product, and I want to show it to you. This Anker stand is pretty cool. It does a few different things, and of course, like most stands, you can adjust the height and the angle that the iPad or your tablet will sit at. On the back, it's got an HDMI port, so you can plug this into an external display like a TV or a screen, and you get whatever's on your iPad or your tablet onto a big screen. You've got USB Type-C here for pass-through power. On the side here, we have two USB Type-A ports for legacy devices like hard drives. Your headphone jack, because of course a lot of tablets don't have a headphone jack anymore, so this is an easy way to get a headphone jack in. And then on this side, you have your micro SD and your SD card reader, plus another USB Type-C to power your device. So all in all, it is a perfect desktop stand, and it's a great idea from Anker. The stand comes with a USB Type-C cable, so if you're going to go ahead and use an iPad Pro or an iPad Mini, you can go ahead and plug in the USB Type-C, and then you'll of course put your power in the back, and you easily power up the device, as well as have access to all the accessories. Now, of course, it's not just the iPad Mini. You can go ahead and use the original, traditional style 13-inch iPad, and it holds it up just fine. It's nice and sturdy, so it doesn't move. You can type on it, you can draw on it, whatever you want. Or an iPad Pro 11-inch, fits great, and it's really easy to use, and like I said, just plugs in so you have pass-through power. A great product from Anker. I know I really love it. I think you will too. Have a look in the description below. I'll put some more information about this product and where you can find one for yourself. This is John. Here's a couple other videos that you might like, and feel free to subscribe.